Okay, on this assignment called Y, we're talking about percent applications. And what I mean by applications, it means in the real world. And it's pre-algebra. And today is 12, 12, 12.
Yep.
No. Okay? No. So Jennifer bought a camera with the regular price of $379. So the regular price, and this is a discount, and then tax question. So $379 was the regular price. There's a 15% discount. So how would you do that? What's the new price? What's 10% of $379?
Wait, okay, what's what?
What's 10% of $379?
37.
$37.90. So if 10% is $37.90, what's half of that?
Wait, 37.
What's half of $37.90?
I don't know.
Divide by 2. And this is just one way to do it. I'm going to show you another way. Okay, so half of that is $18.95. So what would that percentage be? If 10% is $37.90 and half of that is $18.95, what percentage is that?
Oh, wait.
If 10%, half of 10% would be what percent?
5%.
5%. Did we just find 15% if we add these two together? 56.85. So we took 56.85 off because that was the discount. So we got 15, that's 8, 2, 2. So we have 322.15. And then there's 7% tax on the sale price. Well, we already know 5%. No, we don't. We knew 5% on 322.15. Can we figure out 1%?
Yeah, you could divide that by 5.
What's 1% of 322.15?
3? No.
1%.
1?
%10 would be 32, right? %10 would be 32, so what would 1% be?
3?
322. But we want 7%. 322 times 7 is what? 14, 15, 21, 22. Then we're going to pay 22, 54, 9, 6, 4, 4, 344.69. There.
How'd you get that?
344.70. Rounded. I did it one way. Let's do it another way. Percent. 379 is the amount of the camera. Minus 15%. If we take out 15%, how much do we pay for the camera? Out of 100%, we take 15 out. How much are we going to be left paying for? Out of the 100, we took 15 away. How much are we going to pay? 85%. Multiply 379 times 0.85. Because that's what's left that you're going to pay. 379 times 0.85. And that's going to be $322.15. Does that sound familiar? Yep. $322.15. So your new sale price is $322.15. We're going to have to pay 7% tax. The amount of the tax, 0.07 plus 0.07, that's sales tax, is, so we do $322.15 times 0.07, 37.10.
What did you say times?
10, 15, thank you. 15, thank you. 21, 22. Okay, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. So we're going to pay $22.55. That's 0, 1, 5, 6, 7, 4, 4, 3. 344.70. So there's a couple ways to figure out percentages. The first one is the one I do when I'm shopping. I calculate 10%, I calculate 10%, 25% off. I calculate in my head, what's 10%? What's 10%? What's half of it? I figure out what the new price is going to be. I do that all the time when I'm shopping, so I always know what I'm spending. This one, I do when I'm doing math. So I've shown you two different ways really quick.